Have you ever encountered this message? Your account can't access most Google services. When trying to access Google services, it can be frustrating and confusing. Reason for this issue: according to Google, it appears that your account was created or used alongside multiple other accounts to violate Google's policies. The account might have been created by a computer program or bot. This is more likely if you have used your Google account on multiple devices, have been inactive for many days, or have not linked any phone number or Gmail to that account. But don't worry, we are here to help you resolve this issue. Step 1: simply tap on Take Steps option. Step 2: fill in your password and verify your account using your phone number or Gmail. Step 3: wait for the issue to be resolved. In most cases, it takes about 2 days. If this issue persists, try contacting Google support for further assistance. Remember, you are not alone. Many users face similar issues, but with the right steps, you can regain access to your Google account. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on social media.